Hello students, today we are going to learning next part of lesson number 7 history, that is non-cooperation movement. We'll see the 2 points today, that is Jallianwala Bagh massacre and Khilafat movement. Now let's see Jallianwala Bagh massacre. The movement that aroused against the Rowlatt Act took over a fierce form in the province of Punjab. Amritsar became the main center of this movement. The government had started the spet of suppression. Spet of suppression means many restrictions on this. Gandhiji was prohibited from entering the province of Punjab. Prohibited means he was not allowed. General Dyer issued orders of ban on public meetings in Amritsar. Important leaders like Dr. Satyapal and Dr. Kitchelu were arrested for their involvement in the Amritsar Hartal case. As a protest against this, on 13th April 1919, on a Baisakhi day, the people of Amritsar assembled at a place named Jallianwala Bagh. Protest means they have not disapproval for the meeting. General Dyer arrived with armed forces. The place was enclosed from all sides and had only one small gate. General Dyer positioned his army and closed down the only gate. Without giving any prior notification to the disarmed innocent people, he ordered his soldiers to fire. 1,660 rounds had been fired. The army continued firing until the ammunition was over. Ammunition means the bullets. In this massacre, about 400 people, including men and women, were killed. Many people were wounded. After firing, curfew was announced, and hence immediate treatment to the injured could not be made available. In the entire Punjab, military law was enforced and many were sent to the jail by the government. General Michel O'Dyer, governor of Punjab, was responsible for this massacre. All over India there was a protest against this act. As a protest against this massacre, Rabindranath Tagore gave away the title of Sir, bestowed on him by the British government. Later Indians demanded for inquiry of this massacre. Hence, the British government appointed the Hunter Commission. Next is Khilafat movement. Muslims all over the world regarded the ruler of Turkey as their religious leader. During the First World War, Turkey fought against the British to get the support of Indian Muslims in the war. The British had assured that after the end of the war, Khalifa's empire will not be harmed. But after the end of the First World War, England did not stick to its assurance. A tide of great discontent arose among the Muslims. The movement started by Indian Muslims to support the Khalifa was called Khilafat movement. Gandhiji thought that on this problem, if the Hindus and Muslims come together and start a national movement, then the government can surely be brought to its sense. Therefore, Gandhiji supported the Khilafat movement. The Khilafat committee accepted Gandhiji's proposal of following non-cooperation to the government. Hindu-Muslim unity was seen especially during this period. So children, I hope you have understood these 2 points, Jallianwala Bagh massacre and Khilafat movement. So we'll learn remaining part of the lesson in next video. Thank you.